welcome back to Oliver's Cars and Reviews, where today we are at the Bundaberg Car, Truck and Machinery Show, and today I brought along my beautiful 2006 Saab 9.3 Sport Sedan SS. So today's going to be a fun day. There's some really good cars. I see Austin Healey's, even a 54 Ford mainline U, and even some couple of good Mustangs. So today's going to be a great day. So stay tuned for all the cars coming up right your way right now.
I can see the light from your bedroom door. You've been staying up late at home.
Nice 63 Impala.
It always
Beautiful.
takes a while to pump petrol through anyway, you know what I mean? Sometimes it fires straight away, other times it thanks for that, Arthur.
What a nice Merc. Beautiful. I don't know what this is. If someone knows what the heck this is, let me know in the comments down below, because I have no idea what this thing is. It looks like one of those Lotus 7 cars, but it's not a Lotus 7, I know. Got a beautiful GDHO Phase 3 replica here. That's gorgeous. I love that. The owner also told me that he's made the engine into Phase 3 spec as well, so good on him for doing that. It was gorgeous. Got an XP, looks gorgeous. And of course we got my car here as well. My beautiful 2006 Saab 9.3 Turbo Sport Sedan. Looks absolutely great in all of its glory. Got a couple of nice Alphas here, wow. Bloody gorgeous. Nice Z28 Camaro, whoa, that looks gorgeous. Got some vintage cars here, Fords and Chevys. Ford and Chev as well. Looks nice. Beautiful.
Broadcasting stand. If you need to get your machine out, you need to talk to me, because part of our insurance and part of our
The 1954 Ford mainline Ute this is. So this is for the mainline Ute. It was an Australian exclusive. So in America, the mainlines over in America, they were basically a two-door sedan. They were, but the mainlines here, they were Utes. They were. If they were a Ute in America, they would be called a Ford Ranchero, 54 Ford Ranchero. This is nice, very clean Ford mainline Ute here. I love this thing. This is very cool. You rarely see these now. And I think they look awesome. They're very nice, clean, tidy. This one is not too bad. I still love it though. Looks bloody beautiful.
Now don't forget to,
Nice
for everybody that they need to
3000 Mark II.
put in their,
Bloody
to
beautiful
walk
that
around
is.
and have a look and pick out their most favourite thing, write it in your People's Choice, and come and post it in the People's Choice box, because that's very important. We have the most beautiful array of prizes here today. Most of them are, well, all the prizes
Beautiful.
here are donated. So there's fantastic prizes, and of course there's a raffle too, so don't forget the raffle.
This is Ron and Jules here.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, over here I
Love
see
their Land Cruiser.
business. It's they haven't come to talk to me, but I'll go and talk to them, because they're not
We've got some
forthcoming.
beautiful
So I need to
EL
talk to
Falcons
somebody
here.
here about this business. It calls itself the Drivers College.
Very
Got a
nice.
couple of cars here. I see a car up on the trailer. What's that all about?
Yeah, we at Drivers College we have an off-road complex down behind Autobahn.
That's nice. XE Falcon.
2 hectares of state government land.
Bloody nice.
But,
Looks like an
roads,
ESP.
stop
I
signs,
don't
stop
think it
lights,
is though.
Roundabouts, emergency braking areas.
Bloody beautiful though, I gotta
gravel
say.
roads, bitumen roads.
Nice Ford Ranchero there as well. No, that's a Charger U. Oh well, Valiant U that is. That's a Chrysler Valiant U. Very nice.
Well, they're always out and about helping us out. Tan Tyres and Parts. They're just down the road here, and yeah, we all of us old car people end up going to the wreckers and looking for bits and pieces. Unfortunately, of course, a lot of times most of our stuff is too old for the wreckers. It's all been crushed, so it just makes our heritage machines a little bit more valuable because you just can't go down to the wreckers and get parts for them now. You've got to have something made before 1980.
And some old vintage cars here. I love these.
Probably even 2000.
They're very nice.
I think that even the 1990s bits are getting hard to get. So, thank you very much, Tan Tyres and Parts Specialists. We appreciate it.
Wow, 1930
Now, somewhere on this,
Automobile model,
somewhere on this,
1930 Model S. Wow, look at that. So it went from that rust bucket to this. You're kidding. That is wicked. That's cool. I love that.
I know that lots and lots of
Here's
our-
another hump. Wow.
Hello, it looks like people from the American Vehicle Club there. How you going? Have you got a nice run array of people? As always.
No, nice Austin. Beautiful. 37 Ford. Not bad at all.
What a lovely day. Dave was one of the people that helped get this off the ground some years ago, and it's still happening. So
Got a Hillman. Cool.
Thank you very much.
No, I was underneath it.
A nice 67 Ford Mustang Coupe. Wow. Beautiful. Nice Mark II Escort, Mark III, something like that. That was beautiful. I got these. Oh no, that's nice. And we got a beautiful 66 Ford Mustang here. Alex, nice. Far out.
Now we've got a heap of holes. I'm making my way down here to Ellis Spare Parts. Somebody sent that down here.
This is rare. This Ford Falcon RTV. This ain't bad. Built by Ellis. Okay, there's the number there. Got your motor built by them, and oh my god, look at that big ass Garrett turbo underneath. This thing is a real Ford Falcon sleeper, and that's nice. I love that.
And where's the man? Well, that's very sad because we all love that. That's all we love here. We don't want boredom senses. Oh, gee, you've got a massive looking thing here. What's that?
Got an XR Falcon, not bad at all. Beautiful XR family. Very nice. This is a Premier. So this is a Premier, but it's a South African import and badged as a Chevy. That's rare. So these were South African. These were made for the South Africa they were. So they were built in South Africa. These Holden Belmonts, but they're called Chevy Belmonts. They were built in South Africa and sold in South Africa as a Chevy Belmont or a Premier. That's exceptionally rare, and I got to say that is. You never see something like this here in Australia, like ever. They're mostly in South Africa. Just wow.
Really good, you fellas. Thanks very much for coming in. I see you've got a bit of display stuff here on the table. Yeah. That's a knocker, is it? That's a genuine knocker.
Oh, we got a EDS holding an arrow here. Oh, beautiful. Pontiac Fiero. Very nice.
Yeah, well, let us know when you're going to fire up again.
63 Bundaberg. 58 Chev, not bad.
We're going to fire up this old comma engine here. Righto,
Nice
stand
caddy.
back, people. The bag will
Dodge
probably
Phoenix. Nice Dodge Phoenix. F100 truck, yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
It runs like a clock.
Nice.
It really does. It's like an old phony clock.
Gorgeous.
Look, I can see it's leaking
Woo!
already. No, it's not leaking, mate.
These are rare Mustangs. These are an SN95 Ford Mustang. You rarely see these here in Australia.
Yeah, well, that's all it's got to do.
Fun fact is that Ford Australia actually bring these over. So this is an Australian imported SN95 Mustang from the States, and Ford Australia converted these from left to right hand drive. And what was it again? 2002, eh? Oh, I love these.
Now we're going past some of the bundaberg vintage vehicle podcast.
What did they
Modified the
I don't
engine.
know. I'm going to see.
Did they really, eh?
Yes, and they
Looks like,
capable of
Yeah.
down at 150 miles an hour.
Wow, far out. That's cool.
5.6 litre V8.
Yep, far out. 5.6 liters.
Absolutely beautiful. This is one of our this colour.
One of 100. Yeah, I knew that. Yeah, far out. Very nice. Oh, you got it for sale as well.
Yes.
beautiful.
So if you want to contact the owner, there's his number right there if you're interested in a beautiful mint condition SN95 Mustang. Thanks so much. No worries.
And the owner's just here.
Beautiful
And the owner's
Mustang.
just here. He's straight off the sheep's back. G'day, how you going? Tell us a bit about your
This is rare. You don't see these. 57 Corvette Stingray. These are one of the first Corvettes ever made. These are very nice, I've got to say. They're bloody beautiful. Gorgeous cars, these are. You rarely see these. You do. Bloody nice, I've got to say. Gorgeous. Got some other nice cars here. A Datsun 100 Ute, that looks nice. Beautiful. Got a 1-tonner. Beautiful HZ 1-tonner, I reckon. They're all the way, but that's a Chrysler Valiant RT Charger right there. Beautiful.
Hot dogs, and of course the slushy. Get yourself down there, that's what we need on a beautiful day like today. Is a dang good dog.
Nice old Chrysler. Looks nice. Got a HQ Belmont. Something like that. Beautiful, I gotta say. All original stock. And it's still got the old Queensland plates on it as well. Far out. And we've got a beautiful 65 Ford Mustang convertible here. Got the 289 Windsor V8 engine underneath. These are just stunning. Oh, I miss ours. I gotta say that I miss ours, but I sort of don't. This is beautiful either way. Got the manual. This thing is a real cruisy car, and I love that. Oh, and I can also notice that that's a motorized aerial, that is. So when you start the car, the aerial will pop up, it will. That's cool. I like that. It's a very nice Mustang either way.
Yellow cat. Now, like we often say,
expensive if it's just the bottom. There's the Bundy Volkswagen Club, this is. Very nice Volkswagens. We've got a VL Commodore here for sale, so very nice. If you are interested in a VL Commodore, there's the number right there. There's for sale as well, so if you're interested, you can call that number. Oh, we've got a Honda Prelude here, looks like. Oh, wow. This is very nice. My dad used to own one of these, a Honda Prelude. Very nice. Very fun cars these are, but the only problem is he hated the four-wheel steering, and this is pretty rare. It's got the sunroof and a 5-speed transmission. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a 5-speed manual gearbox in there. That is sick. I love that. That is beautiful. And we've got a Mitsubishi FTO. We do. When do you ever see these? Actually, we've got a couple of nice Mitsubishis here. This is a GTO. This is a Mitsubishi Eclipse GTO. That is amazing, that is. But I love these two. But what started it? Well, not started it, but this is beautiful. This FTO, I've got to say, with the V6 underneath. Natural aspirated V6. Bloody beautiful this car is. And it's for sale as well. So if you're interested in buying this FTO, there's the number of the owner. And then you can buy this Mitsubishi FTO, and this thing, this beautiful Mitsubishi Eclipse GTO. Oh my god, I think I'm having a moment. This is just beautiful. My dream bloody Mitsubishi twin turbo V6, everything I wanted. Bloody beautiful this car is. I love that. Beautiful 69 Ford Mustang, looks gorgeous. A couple of cars here that I know. I've seen this one at Puna before, very nice either way. Oh yeah, I remember this car, this blue Chrysler, yeah. This one's for sale. Gorgeous SLR 5000, look at that. 8 bloody carbs, alright. 8 bloody carburetors, that's nice. Down to 500, that's nice. 72 Ford XY Ute, far out. GDS HQ Monaro, very nice. Oh, HR Holden. It's a 186. I think it's a, yeah, it's a 186 it is. Very beautiful. That's a workhorse, that is. Probably something underneath it, like an LS or something. We've got a Holden Avalanche. No, Holden Adventurer. This is a Holden Adventurer. So it's a 5.7 litre LS1, built for off-roading, 4-wheel drive. You can take it anywhere you like, and still have a V8 underneath. How much do you want? That's the bloody greatest package you'll ever get from a Holden, that's for sure. Got a couple of nice Holden specials here. Very nice. We've got a VL. We've got a very stock and clean VL here. This is very clean, I like that. Oh wow. Nice GDS. Bloody beautiful. Oh, we've got a nice Statesman DeVille here. Oh mate, these things are gorgeous. Gorgeous, I meant to say. But they're beautiful, these things. And especially with the wings at the back, they're very nice as well. Bloody beautiful. So this is the Holden Club of Bundaberg, this is. The Bundaberg Holden Owners Club, this is. Very nice, I gotta say. Nice Tirana. We've got another HR, very bloody clean. Very nice. We've got a WB Statesman DeVille. Oh, mate. This looks good. I love these. They're very nice. Got a 308 they do underneath with a big 4-barrel carby, 5-litre V8. Very nice. Nice. And these are rare as well. These are VB Commodore SLEs. You never see these. They're very nice. The SLE was the top trim level. The SLE was the top trim level. So you got power seats, I think, power windows. You got all the bric-a-brac and everything that you need on these SLE Commodores. So I think you can see there, over there is the switch to bring the windows up. Bloody nice. This Commodore is a very nice car. When you think about it, these SLEs, they're very underrated, but they're starting to get up very expensive now. We've got an SL Tirana here, LH, not bad at all. I've got a HG Premier. Yeah, very nice. Gotta say, that's beautiful. And we also got a Holden FX 48215. Very nice cars with the grey motor. Not bad, I gotta say, they're beautiful.
Now here I am at the campsite centre. Up and down the roads.
Nice, good old 57 Chev here. Oh, see a lot of these, but this one's very nice. We've got an AMX. When do you ever see these? They're bloody beautiful. And this thing, I think you might remember from Maryborough Show and Shine. It's an Honor. This one's got the retro 90s, 80s interior. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's true, yes. All over the world, somewhere it's 5 o'clock. But it's gorgeous and beautiful. I love that. Hey, you can pause that and read that if you like. Nice 53 mainline new. Bloody hell, this is beautiful, this thing. Bloody gorgeous. Got all nice. Got two nice Ford Mustangs here, but I love the one with the stripes. Very nice, I love that.
Driving so much, and we really respect the work the police do. Alternators and generators and testings and all that sort of thing. So if you need any electrical work done, you call and see Hanson's Auto Electric. And thank you very much, Bruce and the team, for sponsoring us. We appreciate it, and I'm sure that our charities will appreciate it as well. As I say, our two charities that we support here are Rotary and the
nice XB Fairmont here. Looks gorgeous. Wow. And we've got a nice XA as well.
Around town who don't have any
Got two nice XPs here. Very nice.
They can call
Escort. Very nice. We've got an Alvin. Seen these before, huh? It looks bloody nice, I gotta say. Nice Mustang. Looks gorgeous, that thing. Oh, and it's for sale as well. For sale. I don't know the price, but there's the number if you want to buy a Mustang. And if I had the money, I'd be buying this tomorrow. I would be, because I missed my old one.
And no matter how much we avoid it, we would still cry.
we have beautiful Mercedes. I think this is an AMG. This is bloody beautiful car. Gorgeous. CLK 500. They took the AMG badge off. Bloody hell, that's nice. Yeah, this is an AMG. They just, I could tell by the red wheels and how it looks. This is an AMG. They just took the badges off. Bloody beautiful. We got a Peter Brock. We got a Peter Brock A9X here. Bloody beautiful. Love this thing. This is gorgeous. This car. Wow. That's off of VZ. That gear knob there. That's off of VZVY. That is. Bloody beautiful. What did I say? Very nice. Bronco 5 Marlboro Racing. Very nice. Oh, we got all the signatures here. Pete Rock. Oh, wow. That dash is going to be worth some money right there. Wow. Tell you what. Bloody hell, that's gorgeous. Very nice. We've got a Mazda Rotary. We do. We've got an RX-2. Mazda RX-2. That's very nice. I like that. Got a C10 Chev pickup. That looks gorgeous. I like that. Very nice 5-litre Holden V8 308 A9X. Looks good, I gotta say. That's beautiful. Right here we got the Bundaberg 4-wheel drive club. We do. Hey there. How he's going? That's good, yeah.
Waiting to get out and about.
Well, that's good. If you wanna sign up, go to www.bundaberg4wheeldriveclub.com. Bloody hell! If you got a nice 4-wheel drive. Any 4-wheel drive, yes. And here's, for all you bike lovers, we've got some beautiful bikes for you. Got a couple of nice minis here. Bloody beautiful. So tiny. I love them.
There you go, mate.
Good, thank you. What about you?
Good. I'm the Trino guy.
Really?
I'm a little yellow.
Oh yeah, I remember yous.
How are you?
Good, thank you. All right. Bloody beautiful. Nice. We've got a Lotus Elise here. One of the very first ones, or the second gen. This one is very nice. I gotta say, these Lotus Elises, you rarely see Lotus Elises that often. You do. They got a 1.6 litre Toyota Corolla engine, 4-cylinder in the back. And I gotta say, that is plenty enough power, because this is like a 1200 1200 kilo car, so a 4-banger, naturally aspirated 4-banger, and this is plenty of power, I gotta say. Bloody beautiful this car is. Love that.
Have people like Oliver doing these things, and they're good for the young people. And Oliver, I'd like you to tell me a little bit about the stuff you do.
Thank you very much there, Max. My name is Oliver. I run a YouTube channel called Oliver's Cars and Reviews, and basically what I do is I go all over Australia and Queensland, and I film and promote these events. I do so, and I film like the people and their interest in cars, and also how long their build it took for them to do. And I also ask them, why'd you get the car and whatnot. I ask all these questions, and it's just so good to see all the cars here and all the cars that are on the road, you know, and it's great. It's a great feeling, because cars like these, they just bring joy. They do. And also the reason why I started this YouTube channel, Oliver's Cars and Reviews, is because I wanted to bring the car shows and car meets to everyone, but for mostly the people that are disabled and can't get to the car shows. So I started this channel because of that. I did, and I've been getting lots of hits and lots of people subscribing and all that sort of stuff, and I'm starting to get a bit more noticed. I am, and I'm planning to take that to another level, and I'm going to take that probably all over Australia and hopefully to the States, to New Zealand, probably all over the world maybe. I'm going to share my passion with all over the world and start this passion that I love. And well, I've already started it, but I'm going to be taking my car YouTubing career to the next level, and also going around all over Australia and filming and reviewing cars. So if you want to follow me, you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. Just look up Oliver's Cars and Reviews. Thank you so much.
Good on you, Oliver. Thank you for that, and I hope you promote that around, and particularly that's lovely to hear that you're doing that with the people who are disabled and can't get to the car show, so that's good.
Well, thank you very much there, Max. I gladly appreciate it.
No worries. Thank you, Oliver.
Thank you so much.
The dog is there.
Oh,
So this right here, this is Dee. Nice to meet you, Dee.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Oliver, as you know. She is the second owner of my car, of all things.
Yeah,
And there it is there, as I don't think you could see that, but there it is there. That's that car.
Yeah, Chloe
There it
learned
is.
to drive in it. So,
Bloody hell.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you bought it off the first owner,
Yes,
did you?
I did. Yep. Yep.
Bloody hell! Wow, what a bloody coincidence.
Amazing car that you put your foot down and you're off.
Oh, exactly. Do you want me to show you what I done underneath it?
Yeah, right.
Oh, for sure. But yeah, when did you buy this?
Must have been September 2020 when
September of 2020.
a little bit earlier. Yeah.
That's when me and my dad bought our '54 Ford.
Wow.
That's what I put on there.
Oh wow.
Yep. And I've taken the engine cover off. I have.
Yeah.
But yeah, obviously a bit different now, but I can't believe that so did you, what was it, your daughter learned to drive in this?
Yeah, my daughter learned to drive in this.
Yeah, oh my god, it's like fate.
Yeah, it is.
It's like fate that you're the second owner of this car, and I'm basically like, I'm the fourth owner, because I bought it off a guy in Craignish.
That's right.
I bought it off a guy in Craignish. I did. His name was Jade.
Yeah.
His name is, and my uncle bought it. So actually, I'm the fifth owner. I am, because me uncle had it. So the first owner had it. You had it.
Yep.
So then Jade had it. And then my uncle had it. Now I have it. So I'm the fifth owner of this car. I am. And obviously, it's so I never thought that I would get to meet the second owner of
And
this
it's amazing that it's back in Bundaberg again.
car. Oh yeah. So
That's pretty weird.
oh yeah, I know. I
It's
mean,
originally from Bundaberg.
this car was originally from Bundaberg.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is so cool. Oh my god, it's like fate. Oh my god. And yes, and I got my L plates. I'm learning on this car, I am. Obviously. Oh, mate.
Yeah, Chloe did 100 hours in it.
Oh, I've done over 100 actually, and I still got 4 months to go on my Ls.
Oh, wow.
I do.
Yeah.
But yeah, I can't believe it. So,
How cool is that?
yep.
Well, thank you.
Thank you so much, Dee.
Made Oliver's day.
Thank you for making my day so much,
And
Dee.
who was the first owner?
Who was the first owner?
So it was Ryan Collins' mum.
Ryan Collins.
Yep.
Ryan Collins' mum.
And he was a teacher here in...
He's a teacher here at Kepnock with me.
Kepnock.
Yep.
Wow. You're kidding.
Well, you're a teacher, are you?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
You're a teacher,
There you go.
Dee.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
There you
Wow.
go. So you know the full history now, Oliver?
Yes, I do.
How about that?
Thank you so much,
That's
Dee.
all right.
I very much appreciate
No
it
problem.
very
No
much.
problem.
Oh my God.
Now you got the full
Now
story,
I've got the
mate.
full story of my car now, and
Keep it and love it.
I'm gonna keep it and love it. So this concludes Oliver's Cars and Reviews for this video here at the Bundaberg Truck, Car and Machinery Show. Hope you enjoyed this video today, and I gotta say I am so stoked to meet the second owner of my Saab. I never thought I'd be meeting the second owner of my Saab 9.3 Turbo that used to be hers. So that was really cool. And by the way, I also did a video of the winners, so there'll be a separate video to that video, the winners of this Bundaberg Car and Truck Show and Machinery Show. So stay tuned for the winners. But anyways, this has been Oliver's Cars and Reviews. Well, actually, before that, we have now Instagram. I have now Instagram and TikTok. So go follow me on Oliver's Cars and Reviews on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Links are all in the description below. But anyways, this has been Oliver's Cars and Reviews, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.
9-8.